Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV, your ultimate destination for the latest in cars, SUVs, and everything on wheels. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update from the world of autos. Today, we're diving into the stunning world of luxury on the road with a look at the 2025 RV Luxury Camper, a vehicle that redefines what it means to travel in comfort, class, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or just want to experience life on the move in total luxury, this camper is built for you. The first thing that grabs attention is the bold, futuristic design. Sleek lines, high-gloss exterior finishes, and an aerodynamic shape make it not only visually appealing but also fuel-efficient, a rare combo in the RV world. Integrated solar panels on the roof help power essential systems, keeping you off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort. Step inside, and it's clear, this isn't just a camper, it's a rolling luxury suite. The interior is crafted with premium materials like real wood cabinetry, marble-style countertops, and ambient LED lighting that gives it a modern, cozy vibe. The living space is spacious and cleverly designed with a full-length slide-out that dramatically increases room once parked. The lounge area includes plush recliners, a smart TV with surround sound, and even a built-in electric fireplace. Yes, a fireplace in an RV. The kitchen is fully loaded with a high-end induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size fridge, and a deep farmhouse sink. And if you're someone who loves to cook while traveling, you'll feel right at home here. The 2025 model also features a smart home control system. Using a touchscreen or your smartphone, you can manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and security all in one place. Everything is voice-activated too, making it easier to control while on the move. The bedroom is no less impressive. A queen or optional king-size memory foam bed, smart TV, USB charging ports, tons of storage, and even a skylight to fall asleep under the stars. And the bathroom, you'll find a spacious walk-in shower with a rainfall head, a porcelain toilet, and luxury vanities that make you forget you're even in an RV. Under the hood, the camper runs on a powerful turbo diesel engine that provides smooth, reliable performance with plenty of torque for mountain roads or highway cruising. The suspension system is designed to absorb bumps and keep things stable even on rougher terrain. Safety is top-notch, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking, so you can focus on the journey with peace of mind. So, whether you're a full-time traveler or just someone who loves weekend getaways, the 2025 RV Luxury Camper offers a perfect blend of comfort, tech, and mobility. It's more than a camper, it's your next home on wheels. Thanks for watching AutoBuzz TV. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and let us know in the comments, would you live in a luxury camper like this? Subscribe for more exciting auto content, and we'll see you in the next ride.